them wind generators. Gee, Manelli. From all the way there, all the way over, as far as you can see that way, nothing but wind power. Good deal. Anyhow, looks like we got us a little hill going down. We're entering the town of Touch It, something like that. Touche, touche, touch it, touche, something. Washington. Looks like Texaco on up there a ways, going to pull in, get watered up. Take a break. Okay, coming from that way, I just entered the town of Loudon. It's only about 4 miles from that last town. But anyway, we're moving right along. This is kind of neat. See how the birds have built their little homes in the side of that little mound right there. Anyhow, we're moving on that way. I just got another mile or so in, but I come up. I gotta cover my stuff. I'm getting ready to eat a bunch of dust. Anyhow, look at all that damn dust he's kicking up, man. I don't know what good this boy thinks he's doing. But anyhow, I'm getting ready to eat dust, cover the stuff up. Just a couple more miles down the road, take another break. It's really hard on my ass today. But anyways, we come up to a historical marker here. Let's see if we can't read it. Here stood St. Rose Mission, also known as Frenchtown, 1850-1900. The land donation claim of Narcissi, something like that. Raymond Cemetery on the Hill, North Oregon volunteers fought the Indians on December 7th, 8th, and 9th of 1855. And it looks like they killed the chief of the Walla Wallas, Pew Pew Mox Mox, Popo Mox Mox, something like that. I really can't pronounce this stuff. But anyhow, historical marker. Now we're gonna keep on going that way. All right, another mile or so on up. I about passed this one up. There wasn't a sign for it, nothing. And hell, it's pretty darn important. It's an Oregon Trail Memorial, and it's just standing here without a sign pointing it out. But anyhow, see if we can read it. Oh boy, it's dedicated to the travelers on the old Oregon Trail, 1832 to 43, when it passed through Walla Walla Valley. Robert Newell and Joe Meek brought wagons to Fort Walla Walla in 1840. White, Lovejoy, and Hastings led the first immigrants in 1842. Whitman and Applegate, Burnett and Nesmith guided the train of 1843. This memorial marks that part of the trail between old Fort Walla Walla and Lapspoo, whatever. Oh boy. Anyhow, more history. History on the Oregon Trail / Lewis and Clark Trail. Keep on going that way. Here we are a little little bit further down the road, we come up on the Whitman Mission. It's a National Historical Site, and on down that road down there is where it's at. We're not going to go check it out, but I know a little bit about it. Whitman, he was a missionary coming along the Oregon Trail, got all the way out here, almost to where he was going, and got massacred by some Indians. Over here, we got Onion World. Oh, the Walla Walla sweet onions. They're supposed to be pretty good onions. They call them sweet onions. Anyways, I think they're about in harvest season for those things. But anyhow, that kind of sucks. Wouldn't that suck, being missionary, come all that way, and get massacred? Anyhow, keep on going. Up the road here a little bit, it's got a little information on this area right here. Wailapu, something like that. But anyhow, short distance to the south near the Walla Walla River is Wailapu, the place of the people of the ryegrass. A mission founded among the Indians. I don't know, can I pronounce that? Cayuse? Something. Of the Walla Walla Valley. The Indians of the Walla Walla Valley in 1836 by Dr. Marcus Whitman and his wife. Let's see, as increasing numbers of immigrants moved into the Oregon country during the 1840s, Whitman's mission became an important station on the Oregon Trail. Cultural differences climaxed by the measles epidemic that killed many of the Indians and ended the missionary effort. A few suspicious Indians took the lives of Marcus and his wife and 11 others on November 29th, 1847. And just saying, the grounds preserved through the community efforts and the National Historical Site. So anyhow, keep on going that way. More road construction. They're resurfacing this part of the road. We made it just the outside of Walla Walla. We got Walla Walla next 5 exits. And I'm limping on into town, man. Whew. Got a lot of miles today so far. Anyways, let's take a short break and get on into town, see what we got. A couple miles north of Walla Walla, I stopped in town there at Wendy's and grabbed me a hamburger and some fries, and then stopped in Ace Hardware. They didn't have anything I needed. Got some water. Now I'm headed north of town, and I don't feel too good, man. I feel dehydrated and weak, and I think I overdid it today. I don't know what's going on, but anyhow, I'm gonna kind of take it easy for a little bit, see if I feel any better, and continue on. Going this way, we just entered the town of Dixie, which is 11 miles north of Walla Walla, which puts us at a total for today of 40 damn miles. I sure the hell feel it too. 40 miles for today, and man, oh man, I gotta keep going. The next town is 10 miles from here. God, I'd hate to go that far, but we're headed that way. Take a break and head on up the road. Well, this ain't too cool. I just got a flat tire on my cart, and it's on a hill. And I got about 8.5 miles to the next town. Not cool at all, man. I don't have a spare ready to go, so I gotta rig something up. Damn it, man. I've ever moved now. I went ahead and threw a new tube in there. Well, it's not a new tube. First I had to fix the tube, and after I fixed the tube, then I was able to pull that old one on there, switch it, and pick it up. Man, that damn thing, this thing's heavy now. Anyways, I gotta get off this damn hill. Get back on the road now.